Hello, welcome to another lecture. In this lesson, we are going to be learning how to create a projected view. So to create a project view, let's just add our first view. By clicking the model view, browse to the file location, select our check file and click open. And we're just going to let's add the top view. Click the top view over here and add it over here. And I'm going to hide that origin point. And now that we have the top view, the next thing how the projected view works is, let's say we want to add another view down projected from this view. So we'll select the project view, and with this view selected, now we can drag it down and it's projecting this view down to the front view. Then if we click the project view again, click this view, we can project this view to the right view. And that is how you create the three standard views on your own, by clicking the project to project it down and project it to the right. And this tool is very useful because not all company will actually use all the three standard view. For example, the company I work for only creates one view. Then we might section that view to make the drawings we need. So that is just something to keep in mind. And to use the project view, just click project view, select the view and drag it down or to the right or at an angle. So anyway, that is how the project view works. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture where we will be talking about the auxiliary view. Thank you. Bye.